Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to hide sensitive content on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start it. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you must go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your profile picture. Click on, and let's go to the settings and privacy. And after that, you can go to the privacy and safety. Click on. The next step, you can go to the content you see. Okay, there is have a fourth option for you. The first one, the display media that may contain sensitive content. The second one is topics. The third one, the explore settings. And the fourth, because the search settings. Okay, click the search settings here. And now let's see to you how to hide the sensitive content. You can slide away until it has the blue one. You can see this preference tweets will protect the sensitive content from the displaying in your search results. Okay, this is a hide sensitive content is. Okay, this is a tutorial how to hide sensitive content on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.